You guys are gonna see what it is in a second, but this, bro, I don't know how I got this. I don't know how it did so sooner. I literally had this favorited. Oh my gosh. Alright, cool. Let me actually get this open off camera. Like, the package actually smells of coffee. It's killing me. I'm gonna have to blur that phone number, but yeah, that's why we brought this. But that's not it. So this is an iPhone 4. But you know, let's just take it out, you know, and you can see it's in mint condition. Let's see if it has any juice. And you can see the slice in there already. So, you know, now you're gonna see in a second when it's why I paid for it. And let me know, guys, let me know down below. Oh my gosh. I need to get the PC on right now. Alright guys, so we're gonna plug, I'm getting there. So we're gonna open iTunes real quick. And we're gonna see what's going on. We'll open iTunes real quick. Now, I paid £15 for this. 15. I paid £15 for this. But yeah, let's plug this in. See what version. I need to activate it as well. Okay, we're plugged in. You guys had that. Anything on iTunes. No SIM card. Please disconnect and install a SIM. Okay. So we're gonna install a SIM right now. Let me get I've got a SIM right here actually. Okay, we're plugging in the SIM. The SIM should be fine. Lock SIM. Oh, this is so dead. Wait, is it just all zeros? Or 111? Yes, we got it! Let's go! Okay, can we activate? Okay, so we've installed the SIM. It says please disconnect, so let's disconnect. Oh, any day now. Wait, hold on. But why does my cable do this? Okay, we're in. Will you let us activate? Go on, lad. The SIM card does not be used. Oh, what SIM is this going to be used? Wait, I'm going to have to search up the model number and find what this is locked to, because it's going to be locked to a carrier. Okay guys, great news. So I found what it is. It's a lock to Tesco Mobile /O2. I have that SIM provider, so I need to quick time go get that. I'll be right back. Okay, so I just put a gift SIM in it. I'm gonna have to disconnect and reconnect. Let's disconnect. Reconnect. Come on. Okay, it says activate accessing iTunes Store. Yes, waiting for activation. Yes. Welcome to a new phone. Good. That's what we like. Set up his new phone. Continue. Go on, activate for me, lad. Oh, it's turned off. Oh, yes! Let's go. Activate now. Now, what version of iOS are we on? I see the iPod symbol. Wait, what version? Please be something good. 4.2.1. You know what? We'll take that. We will take that. My name is not Dylan, but you know, I guess my name's Dylan. But yeah, 4.2.1. This is absolutely amazing. I'm so happy to get my hands on this. I paid 15 quid for this. Damn. Okay, cool. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stack some stuff on it, and I'll get back to you guys.
Later that day.
Alright guys, I'm here to give you an update. Now, a while has passed, as you can see. Well, that is not the time, but it's 9:10 p.m. Quite a lot of time has passed. I've done a back glass on the phone, messed up my finger, but that's besides the point. That's not for power. No. I synced it via my PC, and I got my music on it. However, I've been trying my hardest to you know, try and get apps on it without having to jailbreak it and without having to have a Windows 7 computer to get a specific version of iTunes that allows me to log into my Apple ID, therefore I can download stuff. I don't have that. I do have a PC that can run Windows 7, however I don't have one on hand on Windows 7. So I think for now we're just gonna have to deal with the fact that I don't have any apps. I've only got music on this for now. If I do decide to get apps on this, I might make it. If you guys do enjoy this video, I will make a part 2 downloading apps, see how they run and whatnot, because this is a really cool device to have. Really interesting though is McDonald's is that Apple Maps on iOS 4 still works. I don't know why or how. I thought this was a loss of support like years ago. It still works. You can still find directions and stuff. Like, hold on, like it works completely fine. Can't get directions, but it still works. But this is a cool thing to have. Let me know if I should jailbreak it. And now it's just gonna sit like this and be used as an iPod until further notice. One thing interesting about this though is that on iOS 4, some of the ringtones are different. Like, I'll give you just one example. For example, there's text messages. For example, like stuff like this is different. Like, that's different to iOS 5 and 6. It's like fanfare. Like, it's just not that long, which I found interesting that he updated it. But yeah, this is pretty cool. It's so cool to have this. Now mine is locked to a network, but I'll try and get that unlocked. I don't know if it will be possible, but you know, we could definitely try. So yeah, man. But that's kind of been the end of the video. So thanks for watching. If you guys did enjoy, like, subscribe, turn on post notifications. I will make a part 2. Let me know if I should make a part 2, and I'll definitely make a part 2. But I've been Dills, I've been your host, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace, guys.